Now this illustration deals with working with capacitors. The rules and regulations that are very helpful to you and recommended to be used is in the Annex R and 70E R-3 or R.3. Now notice working with capacitors. R.1 through R16.5 to NFPA 70E, the Annex R on pages 97 through 106. Now, the safety information that you see here is very helpful. But still the main thing is either cover capacitors up in such a way you don't accidentally get into them and receive a discharge from the capacitor, or make sure that it automatically discharges, or you have to manually discharge it for safety. And then notice if you want to, learn, get more information about the resistance of the body, see Figure 62 in this workbook. For the voltage, capacitance, and resistance here, see also Figure 62. Now notice the capacitor shock circuit is your figure R.3.1A to 70E, and the Annex R on page 97. Now this illustration just basically gives a lot of good safety information here that you would receive and review in the Annex R when you look at these sections here. So this illustration is just giving you information to help you and aid you when you're working in and around equipment that has capacitors that might discharge on you while you were working and serving and repairing or whatever you're doing to such equipment when you perform such a job task.